Hi friends, this PYQ which came in the UPSC Prelims Examination 2021 is very important for the Prelims Examination 2025. Let me explain you why. Guys, recently Supreme Court has held that the word secular and socialist which are added to the preamble by the 42nd Amendment is an inalienable part of the Constitution and also in the preamble, therefore it stays. Guys, there was a petition in the Supreme Court to remove the word secular and socialist from the preamble. Guys, this question you can see here, what was the exact constitutional status of India on 26th of January 1950? This is a very important question because guys, the 42nd Amendment 1976 added the word socialist and secular to the preamble. This is very important. Guys, this year you will definitely get a question on the 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Also, you may get a question on the concept of socialism and secularism in the Indian Constitution. Guys, you can see here the Honorable Supreme Court has said that the word secular denotes republic that upholds equal respect for all religion, and the word socialist basically represents republic dedicated to eliminating all forms of exploitation, whether social, political or economic, basically a welfare state. So you should know what is exactly the meaning of secularism in Indian preamble and the word socialist in Indian preamble. This is very important. It can be used to frame question. Guys, there was a petition in the year 2020 challenging the validity of inclusion of the word socialist and secular to the Indian preamble by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment 1976. However, Supreme Court has said that the court held that the preamble was an inalienable part of the Constitution and Parliament has an unquestionable authority to amend the Constitution under Article 368 provided it does not violate the basic structure of the Constitution. Its amending power extended to preamble. This is very important, that the power to amend the Constitution which is given under Article 368 of the Constitution to the Parliament also extend the power to amend the preamble, because preamble is an integral part of the Constitution. This is very important. You have got a lot of questions coming on this statement. Is preamble the part of the Constitution? The court confirmed the retrospective amendment to the preamble, saying that the date of adoption would not curtail the power of under the Article 368. This is very important, guys. So date of adoption of Indian Constitution also becomes very important, guys. You should definitely prepare this also. Guys, Indian Constitution is a living document. Therefore, guys, all these amendments they have added to the Constitution because it is a living document. Guys, the concept of secularism in the Constitution was there from the very beginning. Although the word secularism was not added to the preamble, but the concept, the spirit of secularism was already there, and the proof of this is Article 14, Article 15, Article 16, and you can also add Article 25. This is very important. Similarly, guys, the DPSP basically had the tenets of socialism. Okay, so you can definitely get a question. Guys, this is the part of our Predict the Unpredictable series where I predict important topics from current affairs which can come in the prelims examination 2025. Guys, there is a whole playlist in my YouTube channel IAS with Santosh where you are watching this video. Guys, go through all these videos. Also, guys, every day in my Telegram channel I'm giving you a lot of PYQs and current affairs exercise for free. You can join this Telegram channel, OPTIMIZEIAS. Around 30,000 students are there. Please make use of it. Further, guys, let us see some other important aspects. So guys, they may also ask you question on 42nd Amendment to the Constitution 1976, what all addition it has made to the Constitution. So guys, they have added the word socialist, secular and integrity to the preamble. So these three words were added to the preamble. Next, what they did was they amended Article 31C, which gave primacy to the DPSP over the fundamental rights. This is very, very important. Further, guys, they restricted the power of judicial review by stating that laws passed to implement DPSP could not be challenged on the ground that they violate fundamental rights. Further, guys, they have added new DPSPs like Article 39A, free legal aid and equal justice, Article 43A, workers' participation in industrial management, and Article 48A, protection and improvement of environment and safeguarding forest and wildlife. Guys, you should know that UPSC had already asked a question on the new DPSP which was added by 42nd amendment. Let me just show you the PYQ, guys. You can see this is a question which came in the 2017. Which of the following DPSP was added by the 42nd amendment? So you can write the answer in the comment box. Just now I have told you the answer to this question. Is it the equal pay? Is it the participation of worker? Is it the right to work? Is it securing living wage? So guys, you can see here the answer is workers' participation in industrial management. It also added one fundamental duty. You can see introduced the entire section of fundamental duty was added, part 4A, which added 10 fundamental duties, 51A of the Indian Constitution. Then it basically limited the power of judiciary to question the amendment by the Constitution to the Constitution by the Parliament. It also extended the life of Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha from 5 years to 6 years. Next, it curtailed the power of judicial review by specifying the validity of constitutional amendment cannot be questioned. It shifted some subjects from the jurisdiction of High Court to Supreme Court, made the Supreme Court subordinate to the Parliament in terms of interpretation of the Constitution. It also made some changes in the emergency provision where the President was now bound by the advice given by Council of Ministers. It also shifted some of the subjects from state list to the concurrent list, for example, education, forest, protection of wildlife, weight and measures. Guys, this is very important slide. Please take a screenshot of this important slide because I can tell you, you can take in writing that next year there will be a question from this slide. I can guarantee you there will be a question from this slide. Please watch this at least 2-3 times. Guys, you can see UPSC has already been asking questions on this. So guys, in my test series, I am predicting a lot of questions like this. Every year I predict 20 to 30 questions in the UPSC prelims examination. In my website, you can go to OPTIMIZEIAS website. In there I have given a blog how I predicted prelims 2024. You can see the proof for yourself. A lot of questions directly came from my test series. Guys, use this mentorship, use this test series because guys, UPSC exam in the end is about solving questions. If you do not practice sufficient solving questions, then guys, in the exam you are going to struggle a lot. Guys, if you like the discussion which I have done and if you want me to continue this series, important series, guys, please do consider liking this video and sharing this video with your friends. Guys, let me tell you, if you prepare as for my strategy, you can also get scores like this. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.